It's show and tell time, guys. Look at this beauty I just received from ArcticDude. I just got it in the mail yesterday. This is his CNC project. If you want the files, he's been giving those out on the forum, and drawings. There's a thread on it. If you take a look or PM him, I'm sure he'll point you in the right place to find it. But this is really awesome. It's for the size of the hosts I have, evidenced by my ghetto monster right there. This is really kind of a medium size. Some of you guys like these little teeny little pointers. I don't get it. If it doesn't have a nice heat sink and enough battery capacity, I'm not interested in it. This is what I like. It's beautifully done. The heat sink has nice fins in it. That's what they're for. Heat sinks are supposed to radiate to the air. I don't understand some of the designs without fins. I won't buy them. I'll only buy them with fins. I don't like the ones where you just have a block of copper or aluminum and it can't radiate to the air efficiently. You really need the fins for that. This also was made to hold one of Sanwu's 3X expanders, which is a huge advantage. As you know, with multimode diodes, the divergences are really lousy. And without at least a 3X for most of the multimodes, you're not going to get the kind of divergence performance you would from a DPSS laser. So that's really a necessary thing for me when running high power multimode. Although with the NUBM44, you need more than 3X. The divergence is way too high to bring it down to the performance of a DPSS, unless you have, probably 5, 6, or 10X for that one. But for the diode I want to put in this, which will be another 520 nanometer, the 3X is perfect. It brings it right down to the divergence you would expect from a DPSS, a 532 nanometer pointer. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this, tell you how awesome it is. The work is really nice. I love this momentary switch. It's one of the highest quality, it is the highest quality switch I've seen yet. It's built like a tank, really smooth. Wonderful piece of work, ArcticDude. Thank you very much.